Hey everybody, Matty here with Altcoin Buzz. Happy Saturday, and I hope you're having a terrific weekend. In just about a minute, we'll be announcing the winners of not one, but two Crypto Tag Zeus starter kits. Yes, we decided to give away two, so stay with us and we'll announce the lucky winners from the last week or so worth of videos that we've covered. We've gone through it very systematically. We have a certain methodology that we're actually going to walk you through that in just a second. But first, we're discussing Poloniex here on Twitter. All kinds of people are weighing in, including Justin Sun, because Poloniex, as he writes, just acquired TRX TRON market and launched Poloniex, allowing them to fully integrate with TRON and rapidly expand in Asia Pacific. It's being covered here on Bitcoin BTCmanager.com. Poloniex Bitcoin exchange continues expansion push with DEX acquisition. Twitter is sounding off on the issue, as you can imagine. A lot of people are weighing in, and some are not so happy about the developments that they're seeing. In other news, on Coindesk.com, the Bakkt CEO Kelly Loeffler will be asked to fill Georgia Senate seat in 2020. It's all purportedly, but that is according to a report. And here on BeinCrypto.com, Bitcoin gets a big boost in Germany after banks allowed to offer cryptocurrencies. We also have updates by way of Safex. But before all that, let's first take a look at the markets on CoinMarketCap.com. We are up a little bit, $208 billion total market cap. Things are kind of sideways, down a little bit. Bitcoin seems to be up right now at the time of this recording. Got a bit of a bump yesterday, $7,712 as it stands right now. And as you can see, dominance is at 66.8%. All right, let's get on to those winners. All right, the moment that we have all been waiting for. We are giving away not one, but two Crypto Tag Zeus starter kits. These are the videos that we produced between the 20th and the 29th of November. In the end, we produced 14 videos in that time. So we have 14 corresponding numbers. And with this random number generator on Google, we have selected first number 14, which corresponds to the video from November 29th. And the second selection is number 9, the 25th of November. So that video, what is Bitcoin derivatives trading? Next step, and we're keeping it random now, is to take the URL of that video from the 25th of November, enter it into Raffle Dash here to select a comment at random. And our first winner, Mr. Crypto One Stop, with this comment: the only thing I'm buying for Black Friday is more Bitcoin and probably a few alts. I can't help myself. I'm addicted to buying these dips. You and I both, my brother. So there you go. Congratulations to Crypto One Stop, the first winner of our starter kit. And now taking a look at the second URL from the 29th of November, we're going to pick a comment at random here. And we have John Cademan. Congratulations to winner number 2. Yeah, and meanwhile, Dusk Network Wallet Online. All right, guys, it's very important. These two winners, Crypto One Tag and John Cademan, you contact us in the next 48 hours by emailing us. We're going to get all the information to you. We'll make sure that we have your information to be able to ship the product to you. Congratulations to both winners. Stay tuned. To the end of this video, we are launching a new giveaway as promised. Justin Sun of TRON weighing in here at Justin TRON on Twitter. Poloniex just acquired TRXMarket and launched at Poloniex, allowing them to fully integrate with TRON and rapidly expand in Asia Pacific. I'm ecstatic and can't wait to see more users enjoy instant free service of TRON. BTCmanager.com has the story here. Poloniex Bitcoin exchange continues expansion push with DEX acquisition. Poloniex, which is a top cryptocurrency exchange established back in 2014, 5 years ago, has acquired TRXMarket, a decentralized exchange powered by the TRON distributed ledger technology network. And with the deal, TRXMarket will now come under the umbrella of Poloniex as Poloniex, reports BitTimes on November 28th, 2019, a couple days ago. Different people have different opinions about this, as it's explained here. A good number of crypto traders still patronize centralized exchanges since they support much more crypto assets and trading pairs. Decentralized exchanges have, however, slowly started gaining traction. Bitcoin Manager reported back on the 26th of November 2019 that data released by blockchain analytics platform Dune Analytics revealed that more than $75 million worth of Bitcoin and altcoins were traded on decentralized exchanges. in the last 7 days alone. You may remember that Circle, a highly reputed Bitcoin-friendly fintech firm, acquired Poloniex a little over a year ago in February of 2018. However, the exchange announced a spin-out from Circle to become Polo Digital Assets Limited in October of this year, a move it says will enable it to offer its users more features, assets, and services. And Poloniex claims that its primary objective is to change the face of the global trust system, facilitate trade in every corner of the globe, and enable liberated value to flow freely. And as per Poloniex, the robustness of the TRON blockchain, coupled with its decentralized trading volume and rich experience in the distributed ledger tech industry, are the exact catalysts Poloniex needs to accelerate the growth of its decentralized finance ecosystem. Well, at the time of this recording, I can tell you there's nothing special about TRON in terms of its valuation. People have not responded with a whole lot of enthusiasm. In fact, it's down more than most, negative 2.29% on the day. But let's let the news settle in and see how people react overall. For the time being, the initial reactions are certainly abundant on Twitter. Not everybody happy about it. At Angus Champion tweeting, "How do you acquire a decentralized exchange? You know what? Do what you want." And that perspective and that opinion here is covered on the block, crypto.com. Poloniex acquires Tron-based DEX to offer decentralized trading. Jared C. Tate on Twitter, "What safeguards and limits have been placed on my most sensitive personal data and private information along with millions of other Americans after you abruptly kicked all US customers off and sold Poloniex to foreign crooks?" At Circle App, at Jeremy Allaire, ? Guessing you just handed it over. So a bit of a disgruntled former, I suppose, customer here, it's safe to say. Let us know what you think about this. Is this a little bit excessive? Is this a little bit dramatic, what Jared Tate is saying? Or do you agree? Are these the kind of responsibilities that need to be factored in when such acquisitions and deals are made nowadays? Sensitive information, of course, is a hot topic, and it is a variable that perhaps at least ought to be discussed, if not outright considered. You're now on Coindesk.com with a bit of a curveball story. The Bakkt CEO will be asked to fill Georgia Senate seat in 2020, and that is according to a new report. Crypto custodian Bakkt's executive Kelly Loeffler has reportedly been picked by Governor Brian Kemp to serve in the U.S. Senate until the special election in November 2020. Loeffler will be likely asked by next week to serve as the replacement of U.S. Senator Johnny Isakson, who has announced plans to vacate his Senate seat on December 31st, according to a report by the Atlanta Journal-Constitution, citing, quote, several senior GOP officials. Now, I'll give it to Coindesk. I wasn't expecting this website to be the one that would tip me onto this sort of news, but apparently, and again, this is just sort of an initial phase of the rumor mill right now, but this is what I'm hearing about more and more, because Governor Kemp has the authority to pick a replacement to fill in until the special election in 2020. And a very rudimentary search about the topic will show you from other more politically inclined outlets such as The Hill that the Georgia governor is likely to tap Kelly Loeffler for Senate over Collins. At least that is according to some. You can read all about this on other websites. Here, just briefly introducing the subject. Georgia Governor Brian Kemp is reportedly expected next week to select financial executive Kelly Loeffler to fill the Senate seat to be vacated by retiring GOP Senator Johnny Isakson. Now, I gotta plead ignorance. I can't say I know anything about Kelly Loeffler's political past, whether one even exists. I don't know about her relationship or her friendship with current Georgia Governor Brian Kemp. Obviously, she has some influence to some degree in the world of politics. Maybe she has experience working with some of these individuals in the past. Clearly, they seem to think rather highly of her. But there you have it. And I'm not saying that she would come in and change the world in terms of cryptocurrency regulation or deregulation, but it would be a talking point and it would be an opportunity to raise some of these issues that we all care about, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, on a daily basis. And it would provide a catalyst, I think, to have some of those discussions on a broader, more national stage. So there you go. Something certainly to keep an eye on. We're excited about that news. Let's see how it plays out. Finally, for today on beincrypto.com, Bitcoin gets a big boost in Germany after banks allowed to offer cryptocurrencies. Yes, it's true. The regulatory constraints that previously prohibited German banks from offering Bitcoin-related services to clients could soon become a thing of the past. This is because new reports are coming in that once the fourth European Union money laundering directives come into effect, financial institutions in Germany will have the legal and regulatory approval to offer and hold cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Right now, details are kind of scant, but the move is likely to be fully implemented sometime in 2020. Again, just a preliminary report for the time being, but it could be a major push for Bitcoin. Because imagine a world, if you will, where you have a wide range of conventional banking and financial institutions that all of a sudden, at least in that part of the world, are offering cryptocurrencies. The result is that asset class is going to appear more appealing, at least to some skeptics and first-time investors. You guys can take a look at the rest of this article as well as what the critics have to say about the issue. There are many critics, of course, in the EU and in that part of the world. Pretty much in all parts of the world, there are critics. After all, FUD is a part of our reality, but there you have it. We'll link to this beincrypto.com article below. And a quick update from @Safex before we leave you today. The Safex marketplace is coming up. So we've decided to partner up with exchange Xcalibra to help us give away $500 in Safex cash and tokens to 10 pioneers. Follow @TradeXcalibra and follow the rest of the instructions here, where you can follow the link and learn how you can win $500 worth of Safex tokens and Safex cash prizes drawn from 10 randomly picked participants. All right, everybody, that about wraps it up for today. Hey, make sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels. As you know, we are on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and Twitter, of course. Keep checking back into the website. It is altcoinbuzz.io. That's where you're going to find all the latest and greatest in terms of news. And in terms of the news we cover, it is all found in the description below. Links to everything we discuss can be seen there. You can also check the description for information on how to get your hands on a $50 MCO card. That's courtesy of crypto.com. The description also has information about how to sign up to our official Altcoin Buzz newsletter. Using that, you're going to stay even more up to date, so why not? And hey, we have another giveaway to discuss. Between now and the 7th of December, that is a Saturday, we are giving away another CryptoTag Zeus starter kit, and the rules are the same. All you have to do is subscribe to Altcoin Buzz on YouTube. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you write a comment, again, between now and the 7th of December, and you'll have a chance to win. We will be drawing a random comment as the winner. So hey, best of luck if you choose to enter, best of luck if you choose to invest, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.